Hello students, don't go without solving this. You have a important question from class 10th science textbook from light chapter. Okay, so this question is very important for the upcoming CBSE board examination. Okay, so let us see what is the question. The question is, an object is placed at a distance of 12 cm in front of a concave mirror. It forms a real image 4 times larger than the object. Calculate the distance of image from the mirror. So students, what is given here? First you see given object distance. Object is placed at a distance of 12 cm. As it is a concave mirror, you know that every distances measured from the mirror towards left side are taken as negative. So object distance always taken as, students, you know, negative. Okay, so object distance is given, that is u 12 centimeter, and it will be taken as minus 12. Okay, if you will do the sign convention. Then also given that it forms a real image 4 times larger than the object. It means that the magnification is given, because magnification, you know, the ratio of the size of or height of the image to the size or height of the object. So here the magnification m is equal to given 4 times larger, means 4, as you know that it is forming a real image. Okay, as it is forming a real image, so that the magnification will become minus. Okay, so the formula, you know, the magnification of a mirror is m is equal to hi by ho is equal to minus v by o. So you just put this formula. We know magnification m is equal to hi by ho, height of image to the height of object, is equal to minus b by u. Okay, image distance by object distance, right? So you will put the formula of this. Okay, because we don't have this height of image or height of object. Okay, so you have to put this formula, m is equal to minus b by u. Okay, so this implies that m is equal to minus b by u. So this implies that, students, what is b here? B is, you have to find out, and magnification m is given, that is minus 4. Okay, minus b by u, u is minus 12. Okay, so this implies that minus plus, so minus 4 is equal to b by 12. If we will do cross multiplication, what you will get? B is equal to minus 4 into 12 is equal to minus 48. Okay, as you know that the value of b, you got b is equal to minus 48, and the unit is given here centimeter, so I have to put centimeter. So the image distance is, students, what? 48 centimeter from the left of the mirror, as the sign you got minus. Okay, so to find such type of question, to solve very easiest way, please like, share and subscribe my channel, so that I can upload more and more such type of videos. Okay, and if you have doubt in this question, please try to comment in the comment box, so that I can solve this question in the next video again. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.